guys, it's Firebase. Hey guys, this is Firebase. I'm with my aunt from America. So now we're in the airport and going, I guess, to somewhere place to eat. But I guess I have a food trip, which my mom promised. So later on, I'm gonna send this video to YouTube. Hit that subscribe button and like it if you're still new. So guys, if you can't see me, I'm quietly gonna, of course, take you to the world of the airport, which I've been a few times. So that's my aunt.
Hello, hey, you are big and tall.
Yeah.
Where's your brother?
Oh, he was not happy.
Oh, asa mas kalil?
Akong gibilin, langayan mo tayo.
Ha?
Akong gibilin, langayan mo tayo.
Abi, sumadali.
Abi na ko multi-cab, Ray. Multi-cab,
Sumadali, ha? Naram ako. So, how is school? You're growing tall. You're
Yeah.
tall.
I'm doing well in school. But my brother,
What grade are you now?
I kind of dropped off because I got low on math.
What daw? I don't...
Undang siya, kay dili pwede public.
I prefer.
What school do you want to? San Carlos?
ACT?
You want to go to San Carlos?
Uh,
I will support you, San Carlos, if you are a scholar. If you're not,
guys, that's my aunt. It's quite fun, but well, I didn't well. Guys, this is video at this point. I just snap that. I'm great. I'm good, guys. So if you want more videos, ask in the comments and let me know. I'll give you more videos and like that. Whoa. Mom, wait for me here. Yeah, I'll check this out for a while. You stop human trafficking now. Sometimes I think money is some sort of curse against the whole world. What a pickle. Not nice. Hey man, don't hurt that girl. Don't hurt that girl. She's innocent. What did she ever do to you? If you hurt her, I'm gonna really send the cops because that's quite mean, you know. It's not nice to hurt a person. That's really not a nice way. Because I will call the cops if you don't put that knife in your neck because I'm not very amused. What the heck? This dude is so confident screwing her. That's not confident. Get your own lady, you filthy gargoyle. You know, it's really sad. This makes me cry a lot. I'll give this girl a gold bar if I ever met her. Sometimes I think the world is wrong when selling organs and it ain't nice. Next time, I'm letting a dinosaur eat your organ. This old woman is so mean. I'm gonna kick her ass if she doesn't say that girl free. I'm never broken. I can never be broken whatsoever. Kids, don't play with weapons. That's not nice. You might hurt someone. This is really, really weird. But I think human trafficking is not weird. Well, gonna have to get back to the family. Well, me, things are getting a little bit harder, and a little harder, and a little harder. Alright guys, now we're going inside the car. Here we go, on the road again. Wait, hang on. Here we go. On the road again. Here we go again. I can be waiting on the road again. I'm supposed to be inside. Here we go, guys. We're in the car. And we're driving off to another place. I think might be a food paradise. So I haven't eaten since 7 days. So now I'm gonna fill my stomach with a ton of meals.
$300 na sa
Cooler and a
Amerika
little bit
doon.
awesome.
Kaya kumusta man? Ano sa may balita?
These are
Sa
really
balita
beautiful.
sa...
I never knew to
Sa
film.
dapit sa simbahan.
Ganyan nga matay ay.
Ha?
Usta, ganyan nga matay.
Di siya nangamatay?
This place has got most beautiful sights
Ay,
I've
namatay.
seen
Pwede
before.
ro.
Di man ta mag-expect.
I'm really gonna love this.
Di man ta mag-expect kasi pausta.
Magnolia.
So,
Sa June.
Doon ka na bitong sa Da Vinci. May...
right now, we're stuck in traffic. This is gonna get a little longer, guys, so I'm gonna pause the video. I'll skip into the beautiful sights that you might love. Oh man, this is really not a good moment right now. Alright, here we go. We're at the
Kung pag yun ay madako inyong karsada, Dok.
Lapu-Lapu.
Bebe,
I
bebe,
can't
maagi
see it.
din
I
eh,
think it's
kanato
Lapu-Lapu Resort City.
Sa
Sure red.
mga bako din rin, wala?
Okay, we're going up to the Brooklyn Bridge, which is not really the real Brooklyn Bridge, but more like a Philippine version.
Iuna lang
Huh.
sa tanig.
Let's hope Godzilla does not come in and eat me. Wow, it's too bright actually, but I think I can see. Whoa, there's it, there it is. Oh man, wow.
Ayaw, pasige Pedro mo
There's
kay
pool.
Masira ka.
There's the bridge.
Masira ko ka.
Whoa, there's water everywhere, man. This is so awesome. Haha, man, such a beautiful sight to
Wa ko
be.
kailan bin. Kailan ko maribin.
So cool. Wow, it's beautiful.
Ayaw pa mo, naamoy sa kanan. Ako wala. Adi, sa ko mga dire,
So
oy.
beautiful, man.
Kasi daga ko,
So
just
cool.
magan.
I'm really gonna enjoy this. Man. Okay, the video will later on end. So I want you to like this subscribe button so you can subscribe to my channel. And man, this is so beautiful. Huh. Such beautiful, elegant
Ayaw,
waters.
sige, istura.
So cool. Wow. This is so awesome.
Pinsan eh.
Ang gadal pa.
Adel pa.
Oh no. It is not
Hindi
bad.
ka nagbasasa.
Oh man.
Kasi may ingon ba kayo imo ano
Talong.
Sabang kayo.
We're now at the Pacific Mall. This is a mall I've never been to, but one day when I have my friends, I'm gonna hang out here,
busy ki ako.
buy something new.
Para sa
It's gonna
reke.
be quite
Wala
awesome.
na sa nag-atak.
Wala mo
It's
ko
quite nice
nagis ko.
actually.
Sa ayala.
Kada gabi im gani ko di mo ko
Ako.
matuo
This
kung
is
di ko
small.
makabit.
Kada lunes ko kay.
Ayaw ng gabi.
So a nice
Buntag.
glimpse to look
Abot
at
tag
actually.
jud ay.
Buntag.
Wow.
Libre man
Buntag ka nang dili pa
Sa
makagpaon.
taon.
libre man sini sa ayala. Kada lunes ko
Kunya.
mag.
Di
Auto spend kanya.
Alright guys, we're leaving traffic. And now it's about time I end the video. So if you want to watch more of my videos, just subscribe to my channel Jurassic X Last the Tyrannosaurus King. So click like and subscribe. So bye.